Build your dream home with incredible views of the Ozark Mountains. Envision yourself living in the most outstanding, well-maintained, premier golf destination in the U.S. The PGA Tour Champions announced its version of a cluster with the addition of the Charles Schwab Series with back-to-back events in Ridgedale, Missouri. The courses for these tournaments will be played on Buffalo Ridge Golf Course and Ozarks National Golf Course. Amenities include lawn care, swimming pool, clubhouse, fitness center, and walking/bike trails. Community water, sewer, electric are available. If that is not enough, your home will be just minutes from all Hollister and Branson have to offer. Stop dreaming and let's make it a reality.